Hey everyone! Today, I'm bringing you a treasure solution that can reduce workload and boost efficiency for customer service teams. Without further ado, let's get straight to the point. This agent-assisted intelligence, internally, it helps companies cut costs and mitigate risks. Externally, it directly maximizes service quality, driving both efficiency and profitability to new heights. Now for the key part. It delivers standardized workflows and script tips, monitors agent status, and comps customer moods in real time, all to help us avoid service risks. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Wondering how it actually works wonders in real-world scenarios? Don't worry, let's jump straight to the video.
Hello, thank you for calling the customer service center. May I ask what can I do for you?
Please help me make a file.
May I have your name?
My surname is Liu.
Alright, could you please provide me with the mobile phone number you used for booking the ticket, and we'll help you check it.
5512345.
You purchased the economy class ticket, right?
Yes.
According to the Civil Aviation Change and Cancellation Policy, for economy class discounted ticket, a 50% handling fee will be charged if the flight is cancelled or changed within 48 hours before departure.
But this is your rule. I haven't heard of it.
I understand. According to Special Cancellation and Change Policy, implemented by the Civil Aviation starting from January 10, 2024, for customers who cancel their tickets due to personal reasons, we can offer two options. First, keep your ticket and change it for free on your next trip. Second, apply for a partial fee reduction, but still a 20% handling fee will be charged.
Well, I choose to have the partial fee reduced.
Alright, I will register the 20% fee reduction for you. The total refund should be 624 yuan.
Okay.
This has been registered for you. Generally, it will be returned to your original account within 1 to 3 working days. Do you have any other need for assistance?
Could you please ship the cigarettes?
The carrying standard for cigarettes on domestic flights, there's no quantity limit for both carrying and shipping. For specific detail, please consult the airport in person. International flights for Hong Kong and Macau, 2 pieces. For non-Hong Kong and Macau, 4 pieces. Passengers need to make an online declaration to the customer in advance. If there are any policy changes recently, the declaration minimum program will reject it.
Okay, I got it.
UDesk, making the future accessible and seamlessly connecting the world. UDesk, AI, customer service, best.